Hi, this is Josh calling in from beautiful Orange County, California. I have a question about DraftKings. Luckily, I got in early during the SPAC phase, and my average cost basis is $13 a share. I have it in both non-retirement and retirement accounts. I was thinking about doing some covered calls in both, trying to ensure I have a 100% return. What do you think?
What do you think, Mike? This is up your alley, right, for options?
Yeah, I mean, selling covered calls because I don't really see the stock recovering immediately. But the good news is for the strategy you just talked about, the options premiums are exceedingly rich. So you're going to start lowering that cost basis on your holdings if you start selling some upside calls. Probably looking at the 26 or 7 strike is probably where I'd get started.
Let's take another tweet. One viewer asking, Amazon is up 0% over the past 18 months. Shareholders have been begging for a stock split to wake up this sleeping e-commerce giant. So why do you think Amazon is dragging its feet? They're restructuring the stock comp plan soon. Could now be the time. Steve Grasso.
Stock splits. First of all, I believe, and I could be wrong on this, and I'm parsing my words, that you get a price of a stock that's above $3,200, it becomes an ego thing for a CEO to say that his stock is X price. I think people like to have the highest price stock on the block. And I'm not joking when I say that. When you talk about a stock split, it does nothing for shareholder valuation. It does absolutely nothing. But right-way stock splits are always bullish for the stock itself. So while I do think that if they split Amazon stock, the stock would move aggressively higher because everyone thinks they're getting a bargain when, in fact, they are not. But I still believe that management likes to have the biggest thing on the block.
Do you agree, Guy? Is it just cocky to have a high stock price? Or would it do something for a stock like Amazon where so many people use it and now more retail investors could own it?
There's so many ways for me to go here, but since it's late in the show and I don't want an FCC fine, I'll keep it to myself. I'll say this. The price action in Amazon over the last year or so is hauntingly familiar to the action we saw early in 2018 into 19. Sideways action, very defined range until it finally broke out. I think you're going to see the same thing this year in terms of Amazon. So I think this sideways action is leading to a huge upside move later this year.